Hi Panthers, welcome to Chapman. Before you fully enter your student era, we need to complete your immigration check-in. This is required for all F1 international students after arriving in the US. This is not optional, it is a federal immigration requirement. If you do not complete it, your F1 status may be terminated and a hold may be placed on your student account, which can prevent enrollment. But don't worry, there are only 3 main steps. Step 1. Log into your Chapman Student Center account. Once you're in, update your contact information. This includes your US address, phone number, and emergency contact information. If you move at any point during your time at Chapman,
you must come back here and update your information.
Immigration records need to reflect where you actually live. Step 2. Complete the immigration check-in form. Before you start, have these documents ready. Your passport bio page, your US visa page, your I-94 record, and your signed I-20. To get your I-94, go to the official I-94 website and download your most recent records. If you've never downloaded your I-94 before, don't worry. Let's do it together. First, click Get Most Recent I-94, accept the terms and conditions, enter your passport information exactly as it appears on your passport. After submitting your information, you'll see your most recent arrival records. Make sure your I-94 shows that you're admitted in an F1 student status. Now, for your I-20, this part is super important. You must sign page 1 under student attestations. If your I-20 is not signed, we cannot accept it. Also, if you live at Chapman Housing, be specific. Do not just write Chapman Housing, include the residence hall and the room information if available and the CMB number. Step 3. Log in to Canva and find the new International Students 2026 module. Complete the entire module all the way to the end, including the quiz. Once you complete the module, submit your immigration documents and update your Student Center profile. You are done. You need to complete these steps as soon as you arrive in the United States, before orientation, and before the semester begins. If you do not complete any of this on time, a hold may be placed on your student account. That hold can prevent enrollment. Please allow ISS some time to review your submission and remove the hold. If everything is complete and correct, you will not hear from us. No news is good. If something is missing or incorrect, ISS will contact you. If you have any questions, please contact us at iss@chapman.edu. Welcome to Chapman, and we'll see you soon.